So it's quite simple actually to fix this because this is an Xcode error, doesn't understand that we imported the file and doesn't know that it's there. So how to fix this? We are going to delete this, move to trash, and we are not just going to drag and drop it here. We are going to say file, add file to application, and let's go to downloads and get the Google Info plist this way. So now we have it again. Let's run. Okay, so now our application is running properly, and this is asking us to register for push notifications. Can click allow for now. So this is how our UI looks like. We have all our buttons, our view, and our close button on the top. Again, we are getting a lot of extra stuff in our console here, which is not really what we need. So the way we can get rid of it to make it a bit clean, because once we need to find something here with all this junk unnecessary code here, it's very hard to find it. So how to fix this? Go to product, schema, edit, and here under environment variable, click plus button, and we say OS / activity / mode, and we're going to put the value disable. Click close, and let's run again. And there you go, we have no junk here, so it's clean. Once we want to do something, we can find it easily. So our UI is okay for now. We are going to add also the email registration part, so we can register our user with our simulator. So we need another labels, not labels, actually text fields. Let's drag one. I'm just going to put it right below here. Open it all the way. And this is going to be the email, placeholder, email. And we just can Command C, Command V to copy and paste, just like you are doing in any other program. We are going to need 4 of the text fields. The first one is email, second one is the name, third one is last name, and the last one is the password. Believe me or not, the hardest part in this whole application is going to be this UI setup and constraints, because it's really time consuming. So we have another button here. We can actually give it the same look as we have with our top button. So the background color is going to be the blue, and the text going to be white. Let's change the register. All right, so we have our labels. What we can do now, our text fields, we can add our constraints. So this one I'm going to add on top, left, right, and keep the height. Same with this, we can say top, left, right, and keep the height standard. And we have the last name here. Let's bring it a bit down. Again, top, left, right, height. And the password, let's put the 4, left, right, height. And our register button, let's put the 15 on top, and the height. So all these views will have automatic width, because we don't know what size of the screen will be our device when we are going to run it. So quickly run it again just to double check everything is working correctly. Right, so we have our code here for phone number and our email registration. So I'm going to hide this code part for now because we don't want for it to be visible. So let's select it, and I'm going to click on hidden. So this by default will start as hidden. Another cool thing is there is a close button when you are typing. There sometimes you can see an X here, which by clicking it, it will delete all the information in text field. So we can implement it with just one click. Let's find this. Actually, while we are here, select the password, and under text input, we have, let's see, secure entry. Where is this? Okay, secure text entry. So this will replace the password with dots. Also for the email, we can have a keyboard type to be an email. So this is an easier way for user to type the email. And for code, we can change the keyboard type to be a number pad because it's going to be numbers only. And the phone number, we can also change the keyboard type to be a phone pad. Also, we have this clear button, it says never appears, and we have appears while editing. Okay, this is what we need. And same here, appears while editing. You can actually select multiple and say clear appears while editing. So run again. I'm going to show you how it appears. You see, once I start typing, there is a nice button. I click, replace, removes everything. So this is same for all the fields. Right, just hide this view by default, and we are good to go.